This is a Frigidaire professional refrigerator, and the customer complains that whether the cubes are pressed or the crush is pressed, it always makes crushed ice. Okay, so you pull the ice bucket out just by pulling on it, and this little arm back here activates whether or not you get crushed ice or cubed ice. Raising that arm up and down in the back opens or closes this flap. So when this flap is like this, you'll get crushed ice. When it's open, you get regular cubed ice. There's a mechanical mechanism in the back of this fridge here. It goes up and down depending on what's selected on the front door. And if you look in my situation, there's ice cubes back there, so somehow ice has gotten back there, and I don't know if it just kind of got forced back there underneath there, but that's probably blocking that mechanism from going up and down. So either you can take this whole thing apart and get to those ice cubes, or maybe you can just kind of try and pick them out one by one. Hopefully that helps some of you guys.